I hope you guys know nothing happens by accident. In trading, in life, in success, nothing happens by accident.
I think price, if we could hold up here, we can get a good drop. Let's see what these shorts go hit for. Come on, we coming down. We almost there. Come down to that TP.
Now that's a great trade. But guess what? I'm gonna take $5,000 from my Hanko trade account because that's the whole purpose of having a live account to begin with. And then you go over and click the amount, going to be $1,000. Everything after 9:30 to 10 a.m. from 10 a.m. to like 10:59, that's when I'm really trying to get my entries. You don't need to take a trade every day, nor do you need to trade every fucking account you have every day.
Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another video. And today, I'm also going to be trading on the go. I actually didn't have to trade on the go today, but I chose to just because I kind of wanted a view to trade with. So yeah, that's what I gave myself. I gave myself a view. I'm going to show you the view in a second, but overall, we're going to have another good trading day today. Yesterday, we had a small loss. The day before, we had a W, so we're going to see what we can do today. I'm going to be trading on my live account today, not on the funded account, not on the challenge account, just because I want to be able to make some withdrawable money. Ain't nobody trying to be on a challenge all the time. So I'm about to get everything all set up. I got my bag of goodies as always. Get this laptop out. Get the tripod out. That's a tripod. Come on, get this out. Because right now it's approximately 9:24, so I'm not late, but I'm not early. Well, I am early, but I'm not late. So that's all that matters. But then again, round two of getting this hotspot connected. Let's get the hotspot, and then we're going to hop straight onto the call with the team ski. I think price, if we could hold up here, we can get a good drop. I'm bearish for no, I'm not 30. I ain't getting in a trade yet, though. I got to load everything up. 931. Let's see what these shorts get hit for. 100-point stop loss to be safe, but it's mainly off this 4-hour imbalance that we're trading into. If that don't hold, then if we get a push for 930, run the London highs, I'll probably just wait for a retracement on it. But either way, right now, short-term shorts, I just want to see us target that 1-hour gap. We shall see. Right now, I'm down 13 bucks.
So yeah, break even.
We almost at TP1. Let's see what we can do. TP1 will be 500. TP2 will be 1,000. TP1 about to get hit. Bell's still winning. Bell should have been. You should have been sharing your chart. I need something to look at. I feel that's how I be with my TP2s. That's how Keenan be. He like, you're not gonna take. I'm like, nah, I'm like 2 points away. I'm about to hit TP1. Oh yeah. All right, that's TP1 for anybody that took the shorts with me. I'm a Lone Ranger. Fucking ass. Oh, come on, we coming down. We almost there. Come down to that TP. That's crazy. My camera really died, but we about to hit TP. It's 10:06. Almost there. We still here though. Nah, yeah, we about to hit TP. Come on. Nah, yeah, I closed majority of it. I'm leaving the runner, but we gonna see. But now that's a great trade. Best case, it might go to that previous day's low, but who knows? Like I said, I closed majority of it. Even if this trade hit fucking TP 100, I might make $100. All right, team ski. We are back at the crib, and before I do anything, you guys saw that winning trade. Unfortunately, the camera had died, but I just got back and I put the other battery inside of it. But I'm about to get my laptop out because I'm gonna do the withdrawal for you guys. I haven't showed the withdrawal process in a little bit. Since I won the trade on the Hanko trade account today, I can do a withdrawal. We still got some time for the clarity. This is dark. There we go. We still got time for the clarity challenge. I'm only 2 days on it. I'm only up $1,000 when it comes to that account because I made $2,000 on Monday with that account and I lost $1,000 yesterday and I didn't trade it today. So it is what it is. But guess what? I'm gonna take $5,000 from my Hanko trade account because that's the whole purpose of having a live account to begin with. I may not trade it every day, but you don't need to take a trade every day, nor do you need to trade every fucking account you have every day. Guess what? The whole point of having different accounts is so that I can have different accounts. You get right? Am I crazy? Am I crazy or something? Everyone always assumes that I copy trade. Copy trading is an option. Don't get me wrong. You can copy trade, but you don't need to copy trade. Personally, if I were to copy trade, I would have lost on all of my accounts yesterday. And that would have made me feel like shit. And I probably wouldn't have been going for a withdrawal right now.
But I'm about to log into Hanko Trade real quick, and then I'm gonna bring you onto the computer to see the withdrawal. But first things first, this is the trade that I left the runner on. The runner was up 300 right now. The runner is only up $150. I have my stops at break even. But you can see TP2 was held in along with that gap. So, I mean, in my opinion, the trade that I took was a banger trade, considering that's where I got out. I left the runner just in case it kept dropping because considering how much volume we had, you know. But I'm going to see. I'm up 150 on there, but I already took the $1,000 off. So that's why we're going to come over to Hanko Trade and we're going to withdraw. Come over to withdraw. You click the account you want to withdraw from. I have two different accounts. I have a $1,000 account and then I have a full account. The $1,000 account, in my opinion, why is it so dark? The $1,000 account, in my opinion, was mainly really just for you guys because there's literally no point in me trading $1,000 besides trying to show you that you can make money for it. But I'm not gonna lie, the only week that I really traded it, I lost trades. So it's a little bit unfortunate, but it is what it is. So I have the two accounts. I have the main account that I traded today, and then I have the $1,000 account, which is really at $800 right now. So yeah, but that's what the two accounts are. And then you go over and click the amount. The amount is going to be $1,000 flat because that's gonna be what we're withdrawing. Then we come lower, we see this, we're gonna do it, then it automatically puts the one that I always use, and see this button, see the time, because I use the same one to withdraw all the time. We withdraw, enter 6 generated. Nigga, what? Is that from the authentication? Yes, there's the authentication that they added recently, so I gotta put the John from the authenticator over here. Boom, this is new actually, so I'm actually showing you guys a different process. I haven't never had to do that after the withdrawal. I usually do it before, but not after. Okay. Come on now, should be in slow. Come on, I'm connected to my Wi-Fi. Oh, there's no green here. Yo, this is a little bit different. They updating. Hey, but we made 1,000 right here. So now we go to our email. Go to the email. We'll get Hanko Trade. Boom. We just gotta verify you successfully traded that. Verify the request. I think this was me verifying. That's what it was. I'm not used to usually doing it. I'm used to coming over here to the email and verifying, but I guess this was verifying. Hey, the more you know, but all I know is as long as that says pending, as long as it says pending over here, we are good. Yeah, so we just gotta wait. All these got approved now. We wait for them $1,000. So yeah, $1,000 day, valid. We lost $1,000 when it came to the funded account, but that's just fun. It's a funded challenge. It's not real money. It doesn't even matter. But we're on to the next. Now we move on with the rest of my day. I gotta go to the store, I gotta go to the gym, and I gotta get a lot of content created, and I gotta go live on Instagram. I honestly might go live on Instagram before I do all of that. So then when I leave, I don't gotta come back. So yeah, let's get the day started. I also gotta charge a lot of my stuff. As you can see, this over here, the battery on this is dying. Everything I have right now is dying. The camera was dying, the battery on the microphone is dying. So I'm gonna just charge everything up now that I got the withdrawal done, the trading's done, and I'm gonna just kind of take it slow because I've been on the run. All right, yeah, I'm about to go live on Instagram real quick. I'm gonna just go for like 20 minutes. It's 11:40 right now. I'm gonna go live probably just until like 12. And then I'm gonna go to the store because I gotta go to Target. I just fed the dogs and everything, so I'm gonna be able to walk them after this. So yeah, let's hop on the live. Let's get some music on in the background and let's just vibe out, give some value to the team. And if they have any questions about the trades and everything, this is gonna be the time for me to be able to answer. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, follow me on Instagram because you're missing daily fucking value. I even called this trade out for free for my Instagram just to show you guys the proof. I deleted the story now. It had like 500 views before I deleted it. But right over here, I called the trade out for free on my Instagram. If you were to go to find a story, it doesn't exist, but I called the trade out when I was only up $100. So yeah, but the free value a lot of the times gets taken advantage of. Not taken advantage of. Ask me anything. I'm gonna be on here for like 20 minutes. Now you ask me some questions. I'm trying to surround myself with people like you though. Just get in VIP. We're active every day. There's like 50 of us live trading every morning. And it's not like it's just like this. You can actually talk and share your screen and share your camera. It's not like you're just typing. You can actually speak. What's up, bro? Love your content. I appreciate that, bro. It means a lot. It means a lot, bro. I love my content too, so I'm glad other people like it. Passing an account is simply just winning trades. If you can't pass an account, you can't consistently win trades. So either you don't have a good system or you're constantly doing dumb shit to get in your own way. Ivan, Alex, how we all doing? How we all doing? All right, right now I'm leaving Target. I'm done with the live and everything. This car, you gonna let me get out? All right, dumbass bitch. Sorry guys, some people just can't drive. Sorry to tell you, but I was already halfway out and she still went. It is what it is. All I could do is control what I do. I can't control what other people gonna do. In trading, and life. That's a life tip. But as you can see, I got some pads for the dogs and I got some cleaning stuff for the crib because I go through cleaning stuff like nothing. Hopefully this doesn't get on in the way of the mic, but I think I might go clean the car real quick. But it might rain. But I do also park in the garage. I'm gonna go clean the car just because it's dirty as shit. I was driving to Orlando so many times and I did not clean this car since. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that. Start the shit in here, but yeah, I'll see you when I probably get back to the crib. Back at the crib and everything. I didn't wash the car because honestly, it looks like it's about to pour. And I have to get my girlfriend soon, so even if I clean it and I put the car in the garage, it's probably just gonna rain. So I'm gonna just save it for a day that makes more sense. Save it for maybe a sunny day. Maybe if I want to trade tomorrow in the sunny or the next day, if I want to trade in the sunny, I'll go get a car wash. But I was just thinking, I'm about to get this coffee made, but I'm also thinking what I want to eat for dinner. I haven't ate any food yet. I still gotta go to the gym. I usually fast for the most part of the day. Not necessarily that I want to, but I know if I eat right now and then get my girlfriend, I'm not gonna be like starving trying to eat food, but she will because I would have already ate. But that's just that. So I'm thinking tonight I kind of want to go out to this steakhouse, go to Kobe's. And if you don't know what Kobe's is, I've been there a few times in the videos. It's just like a Japanese steakhouse hibachi. They cook it in front of you. Great food, great all the above, no cap. I love me some steak. Yesterday I had Bahama Breeze, had a steak with fries and with white rice. Steak be like this long, no diddy, but no cap. But I'm about to get this coffee made, and then I honestly got to get some edits made. I got to get some content created. I'm probably gonna have to pay for or to look for a new software when it comes to creating my content. But yeah, I should also probably record some content for when it comes to the Content to Cash program, VIP. I'm active with them every day. I don't always got to make videos for them. They get so much value, it's unbelievable. But the Content to Cash, I do need to put you guys on some new game. Because trust me, I've been learning a lot when it comes to the content because you can see the views going up and it's not by random. I hope you guys know nothing happens by accident. In trading, in life, in success, nothing happens by accident. I'm getting the views that I'm getting for a reason. I'm getting the support and VIP that I'm getting for a reason. I'm getting everything that's happening to me for a reason because I'm doing the right work. And when you do the right work, you're gonna get that result. It's just as simple as that. 1 + 1 = 2. 1 + 4 doesn't equal 5. Yes, it does. I'm tripping. Fuck what I said, never mind. Crack. Crack. More crack. The white gold or yellow gold?
Give me 1 second. Is it for Alan?
Yes, it's for a ring.
Hi, Andrew. This is Alan.
How you doing, Alan?
I'm good. Thank you very much, sir. I just have a note down whether it is in white gold or regular gold, yellow gold.
We're gonna do white gold.
White gold?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Just I wanted to take the confirmation. Okay, buddy.
Now, yeah, that's gonna be all good. Thank you. Now, yeah, I was making my coffee. I was about to start editing, and then they called me for the diamond because I got my girlfriend a ring for Christmas, but it has to be made and everything custom because she has a small finger. So like anything under like a size 5 when it comes to rings, you got to get custom made. So yeah, I have to get it custom made and everything. So yeah, but we're just waiting. Honestly, it's gonna take 4 to 6 weeks to be able to be made and everything. But at least I know they're starting the process. So hopefully she can get it before Christmas. If not, it is what it is. What else? You're 21. What do you do for like work besides like trading right now, like money-wise, income-wise?
I used to be a physical therapy aide, so I used to help other people with working out. I didn't find trading until my 3rd year, like the beginning of my 3rd year.
What was the degree that you're going for?
It was originally my doctorate. I was gonna go to grad school and everything, but now that I'm so into this, I want to just get over with the college stuff.
I would say definitely, one thing I would say, since you have that degree, in terms of working, you'll definitely, and I guess it just depends, because off rip, you're not gonna get a full, like, crazy ass job with the degree. But I was gonna say, you could probably use that degree to probably get something to where, instead of Ace Hardware, you'll be able to have something that pays you a little bit more, so that will be at least be able to, it'll be a good last job. You'll be able to stack up the money while being able to focus on everything else. Good. Copy that. So yeah, no bills.
After college, I'm looking to get out. I was actually, my whole goal since freshman year was to actually move out to Florida and get a medical sales job after college. That's my goal right now.
Hey, I'm all for it.
Yeah.
We're in the same time zone. So yeah, 8 o'clock.
It's New York.
8 o'clock is fine. 8 to 3. You said 8 to 11?
8 to 12.
8 to 12. I will say 8.
If it's like 11.
I'll say 8 to 11 is like kind of a better time, because even me, I'm really looking at like that 9 a.m. to 11. But even then, I'm really coming at 9:30. So even that first half of 9, I'm not really even. Doesn't mean for all I know, I might miss it. Like yesterday, it was moving way before then. But I would say 8 o'clock to 11 is probably like that really crunch time. 12 is like last bet. Like that's like if this doesn't happen here, I'm there. They're little. It is what it is. But in my opinion, if you can get that trade like 8 o'clock to 11, like within that time frame, and in my opinion, like 9 to 10, just like within those two, that's like my prime. Everything after 9:30 to 10 a.m., from 10 a.m. to like 10:59, that's when I'm really trying to get my entries, because the majority of the volume is within that. So anything after is like a hit or miss, because if you get in around 12, you might be holding for the PM session. And if I don't know what you trade, if you're on futures, you can only hold now for a couple more hours. So it's just, that's another thing.
I trade futures, I trade gold and the Dow. That's it.
Yeah, I would say if you're on futures, it'll make it hard too. Because say you do catch a trade at 12. It may not start moving until maybe 1, 2, because that's like when the volume comes in again. 12 o'clock is kind of like a dry period. It kind of slows down. It either gives a retracement or a reversal, but it kind of slows down. Versus if we're able to get in, have the move that wherever it went to, we're kind of one and done. Like even the days that it plays out, like where you were in the live this morning.
Yeah.
Like the days that it plays out, it's not really, for the most part, it happens pretty fast. Like I would say hour at most. Like I forget. Monday's trade was only 15 minutes. Mondays. All right, team, y'all know what time it is. Right now, I'm chilling in the room and everything. This is usually what the end of my night looks like for the most part. I chill in bed and I just get to work when it comes to creating content, editing content. And you're probably wondering why I've been having this on my head, because I need a cut, bro. I'm getting a cut tomorrow. Tomorrow's going to be definitely of a more entertaining lifestyle type of vlog. Ideally, if we can get a good trade tomorrow, that would be A1 to get a haircut in the crib and get a trade. That'd be valid. But for the most part, today was a successful day. I just got done eating some Chick-fil-A. Girlfriend's over there with the dogs. Just kind of winding down, getting my clips and everything, my video and everything edited, and just getting ready for tomorrow. New day, same shit. Every day we just wake up and do the same exact thing that works. I showed you guys yesterday. I had a loss. Cool. Woke up today, do the same exact thing, and I had a W. Woke up today, I go to the gym. Woke up today, I get value create content. Woke up today, and I made more money and became 1% better. It's as simple as that. I try to tell you guys every single day, don't overcomplicate this shit. Keep it simple. You know what you got to do. It's just a matter of doing it. If you want to learn how to trade, the free trading concepts, free trading course, everything in the description. I teach you everything I do on a daily basis. But when you're ready to actually get experience, join VIP. We're active every single day. Monday through Sunday, 7 days a week. Live trading Monday through Friday. And Saturday and Sunday, we have a weekly educational money mindset trading session every single weekend. With over 60 hours of recorded content that you get access to as soon as you join VIP. I'm telling you, there's a reason people join and don't leave. But with that being said, stay safe, stay productive. And I'm with you guys. Tomorrow's video.